Trust me on this. You don't need to be an artist. All you need is your journal, the right teacher to guide you, and a little curiosity. And you know what? You have already taken the first step by clicking on this video. So grab all your art supplies, whatever you already have, your journal, watercolors, stickers, markers, color pencils, and let's begin. In this video, I'll guide you with 5 different pages, starting from the title page to set your mood, one artist study, and in the end, the reflection for end of the year. Comment your December mood color so I know you are here. For all the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. I'm Sana, founder of Wild About Art Studio based in Bahrain, holistic art therapy practitioner, mixed media artist, and art educator. It's been 15 years I am teaching art and design to children, teenagers, and adults. And now I'm here, sharing my expertise with my YouTube family. So let's begin our
So for the
December
first
art
page, which
journal.
is your title page, ask yourself, how do you feel stepping into December? Are you feeling soft pink and beige, red and green, white or gold, or maybe deep blues and cozy browns? Pick colors that match your mood, not what you think December should look like. Mostly December is always red and green. Then add simple title December, winter reflection, or even who I am this month. For me, I do write a lot, scribble, whatever happened because December is the last month of the year. So it's like a reflection as a graph where I am, what I achieve, how was my anxiety levels, and so on. And then I just cover it with pinks and white. So more on the pastel shades for my first page. December is all imaginary month for me. It always feels like the world I grew up seeing in storybooks and winter movies. Cute little cafe decorated with fairy lights, snowing windows, and that one magical village that always show in Hallmark movies, and one I secretly want to travel to every single year. And that's the reason I think I have decorated my studio also in a whimsical fairy lights and cottage stickers on the windows to bring that feeling and the coziness in my place. So far, my title page is December, and I am making that cute little cottage using the background layers to show, and then adding windows and door in front of the background. I will do more details, but right now I'm just using black acrylic paint and giving myself a little guide. Now with the help of white paint, if you already have lots of layer like acrylics and stickers and washi tape, collage, here if you're following along with me, I would suggest you to use acrylic paint, white color, and dilute with water. Just give a whitewash, a very diluted faded effect. This way your colors in your house, or if you're doing any other thing, for example a car or a snow globe, that will start popping. But make sure your black is completely dry. You can also use black marker, but make sure the layers are dry, then use marker. You can also do some writing like whisper across your page. I already did it and then covered it. Here I'm using a little bit of blue to create a sky effect in the background because white is too white. I want to add a bit of touch of baby blue color, and just feel free to add or remove something, cover it, redo it. There is no right and no wrong. After the black outline, I feel it's too strong. I want to add some white acrylic to fade them and keep a soft look. If you wish to download this template, join the community. The link is in description. It's on my website. You just need to join the group and you will be able to get the access on free downloadable resources. This one I made it that she is focusing on 3 things this month: herself, her peace, and healing through art. She is me. And this connects so much right now in this situation that I thought that let me just stick this one in my December title page. So if you're following along, don't forget to comment and let me know how you feel about this page and what will be your title page color scheme. Will it be the same colors or you are gonna change it? I'm waiting for your comment. Let's start the next page, and the next page is all about Ted Harrison. Ted Harrison is one of my favorite artists to teach every winter. His bright landscapes, his bold curves, his playful colors, they make winter feels alive instead of dull. When I teach this to my students, I always tell them, don't copy the work, study the feeling in it. So I collected a few different Ted Harrison references, some with white pink skies, some are dancing hills, and some are icy blue with tiny houses. When you make your own artist study page, do this. Look at 3 4 references, find what repeats, find what changes, find what inspires you, and then create your own version. That's what I'm doing here. I get all my inspiration a winter landscape with flowy line, pink sky, and that dreamy Ted Harrison spirit, but still my own style. I want to do houses and it looks like a door. So I have folded the paper. Here I'm doing the houses on a different paper, finish with my background, and you will see how it will turn out. I enjoy doing mixed media. It is something which you give me a freedom to work with. I don't have to worry about the background or the colors are going out of the line. Instead of doing it on one paper, one surface, I like to add that 3D look. So the background is done, the paper houses are made on a different watercolor paper, trees are on a different paper, and I do use a lot of painted paper. Do let me know if you know how to use or how to create your own painted paper. I would love to create another video on that. So I can teach you what tools you can use and how to make a painted paper. Now this is how I'm assembling all my cutouts, and in the end I will also use some glitter. This is my painted paper. I did it I think many months back. And also when students are using in the studio, the small pieces I don't throw, I just keep them, and that's how I think I have a lot of junk. But this is how you can also try doing it, and trust me, you will feel so relaxed and you won't think anything about what you are doing, and you will enjoy working what you are making. And this is the beauty. I am removing the tape now, so the border will look like, and here is my mini door effect which is going on my journal page. I don't know, I think I have seen somewhere and I really want to do this, so I thought let me do this way. And I will add like a front page door because it's a winter and Christmas and festive time, so I thought let me do some red and green for the main door effect. So do let me know if you're following along and doing the same door effect, what is the color of your door. Trust your intuition, keep things in front of you, and you will automatically keep doing it. These are some of the artwork which we do over the years. I teach them how to do different landscape cottages. And this is the painting. I think this is my last year lesson inspired by Ted Harrison, and the cute little cat tree and the girl. Now, as you know, those who are following me from quite long, they know that I do give a new look to my old work, and that's what I'm going to do it. Instead of creating a new one, because I already have Ted Harrison inspired landscape, I'm going to add this on the next page. Painting the background for my cottage to come, and here I am done. I have to remove some of the clips, but I'm sure you already understood what I did it. I just did the background, add some stencils, and now I'm just sticking this with glue, creating a little cute page for my inner child. And this is how my second page is done. Now it's time for me to start with a third page. Now it's time for my favorite page, my winter stillness page. This is one of all about creating December sanctuary. Before I'll begin, I will tell you that I haven't done all these pages in one sitting. Every day I create one page, because in this video I want to combine all the pages to give you the idea, so you don't have to scroll to get the ideas what to make in our winter journal. That's why I combine. If you're willing to learn more about how I create and what are the resources I use for this page, you can check this video separately on my channel. The link is in the description. I started with a soft gray background and then added collage pieces because cutting and pasting actually tells your brain, I am building something new. It's one of the simplest art therapy technique for grounding, and that's why I always use this. Then I added a girl wrapped in berries and surrounded by tiny houses. Berry reminded me that even in winter, nature still grows. The houses, well, they are the symbol of belonging. And the cardinal, the messenger, a gentle reminder that you are not alone, even in stillness. If you want the full mixed media tutorial of this page, as mentioned, check the link in description and join the group for the free template of this page. You don't have to do all these 5 pages in one sitting. Stop the video, do lesson 1, like page 1 with me, then come back again tomorrow, do the page 2 with me, then again come back. In this way, give yourself a challenge, then in 5 days I will do all these 5 pages. Make like your December art journal marathon, 5 days marathon with Sana. I would love to see what you create. And you don't have to stress out in case if you are not able to do it the next page in the next day. You can always skip a day and then do it. Come back to the video, pause the video and replay as many times you want. The 4th page is watercolor sweater, my mother's sweater. Do you remember a specific sweater from someone you love? My mother had a pink sweater she wore every winter. And somehow, even her sweat smelled like the best-selling perfume in the world. I still remember. Please tell me I'm not the only one who feels this way. Or maybe I'm the weird one here. But that sweater feels like home. So I painted soft pinks, little textures, and warm hug trap inside the watercolor. This page is for comfort, for nostalgia, for the warmth we carry with us. And I did not paint this in my journal. I'm painting this on watercolor 300 GSM because I really want to create that watercolor soft look. And my journal is the 80 gram page one. I don't have the watercolor 300 GSM paper. So that's why I'm doing this on a separate page. In the end, I might combine this page also in my journal. But here, the 4th page is all about that one memory, that one comfort with any cloth, sweater, blanket, cushion, rug. You can still feel it. A bed sheet, a pattern on the bed sheet, a girl wearing a sweater, maybe a muffler or a cap or a mitten. Anything which will take you to the beautiful memory of someone you love. This painting took me around 30-40 minutes, but you can see this within 3-4 minutes. It's a time lapse and I did not upload the full version. Do let me know if you would like to see the full video of this sweater so I can upload if you want. Now it's time for the last and the final page of this marathon. The snow circle, protection, home, and year-end reflection. And this last page, this snow circle, might look simple, but while I was painting it, something unexpected came to me. Inside the circle, I added a tiny houses, my house. And suddenly, the circle felt like a shield, a soft, quiet protection around the house and the people who live inside it. No matter how strong the wind gets, no matter how heavy the storm becomes, the circle of love, the circle of connection holds everything safe. That was the feeling that came to me while making this page. Your feeling might be completely different, and that's the beauty of art journaling. The page reveals something personal to each of us. And maybe it's the watercolor too, the way it moves slowly on the page, The way it forces you to pause, breathe, and allow things to unfold rather than control them. At this age, in my 40s, I find myself needing these pages more than ever. They become like moments of me time, tiny reflections tucked between the busy days and the quiet beginnings of that empty nest feeling. That question of now what? When the world is rushing ahead and you suddenly feel left standing still. This is where art becomes an anchor, a way to steady yourself when everything else feels like it's shifting. That was the feeling that came to me while making this page. So use this page as a prompt, create your own circle, your own symbol, and see what comes to you. It might be something you didn't even know you needed. And because we are ending the year soon, I want to leave you with 3 gentle questions to ask about. You can answer them in your journal, in the comment, or just quietly in your heart. What do you want to protect as this year ends? Who feels like home to you right now? And what storm did you survive this year that made you stronger? Let these questions guide your reflection and let your journal hold your truth. Don't forget to comment, subscribe to my channel, and if you like to join my cozy little community, you can check the link in the description or join the WhatsApp group as well as Facebook group. I would love to see what you create. I'm here for you. Till next time, keep creating and keep sharing your work. Take care, everyone.